I'm just running straight. I don't care kung saan man ako mapadpad. Hello everyone. Nagbabalik ulit ako. Sorry for not uploading for about 12 days. School happened. Intrams din. Dami nang ginawa. Pakita ko yung picture na nasa intrams kami. Ayan. Ngayon, lalaro tayo ng laro based on sa creepypasta na Eyeless Jack. Di ako excited dito. Okay, start na natin.
Hello, my name is Mitch.
Hi, Mitch.
I'm here to tell you about an experience I had a few months ago.
Okay, ano experience
I
mo?
have no idea if it was paranormal or whatever stupid words people use to describe supernatural phenomena. But after this experience, I started to believe in it.
Okay, tingnan natin. We're into a camera now. Sheesh. Kung naririnig niyo po yung background,
Well,
si Flight
those are
po
my
yun.
last things. I'm glad you didn't leave me in this, Edwin.
Okay.
Your family, Mitch. Of course I'd be here for you, man.
Aww.
Let's just move those boxes inside already. It's getting cold.
Okay. Boxes. Ayun. Oh, E. Okay, yan. Tapos, lagay lang. Saan tayo lalagay? Dito lang sa loob? Saan? Ah, kusina to. Ito ba? Okay. Ayun. Pwede ba tumakbo dito? Nakatakot naman. Ito yung CR. Okay. Yun natin. Okay, wala tayong makita sa salamin. Tapos may broom dito. Okay. Normal so far. Pero feel ko dito hindi eh. Dito ako natatakot sa kusina eh. Oh, Mitch. Ba't di mo kaya ako tulungan? Tulungan mo naman ako. Okay. Ako na lang bahala dito. Ayaw mo naman tulungan. Oh, ay, nakuha mo. Ay, okay. Tumulong ka pala. Okay, salamat sa ambag mo sa lipunan. Thank you. Okay, so ano next na gagawin? Oh, kumain ka pala.
You started smoking, huh?
Huh.
You want one?
No, thanks. I don't smoke.
Oh. Good,
Why
bawal
don't you get
magano
some
sa
rest?
garilyo.
You had quite a long ride to get here.
That's not a bad idea. I'm pretty tired.
Okay.
Alright, good night then.
Oh, ang sweet nyo
Good
naman.
night.
Dito na ba lalabas ang Eyeless Jack? Okay. Let's see. Oh, 1:12 a.m. Oh, nah, bro. Nah, what is this? Ano to? What the heck? Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey man, did you sleep well?
Eh, ang sweet.
Yeah, not bad at all. I only heard some strange rustling outside, but I guess it was just a raccoon or something.
Ah, Dion Raccoon. Dion
Yeah, I
Raccoon.
agree. That's most likely it.
Okay.
Would you mind raking the leaves outside the house? I will make breakfast in the meantime.
Sure thing.
Oo, ang
The
sweet
rake is
naman.
somewhere around the entrance.
There's somewhere around the entrance daw. Okay, dito lang yun, di ba? Ayun, there's the rake. Ano gagawin ko? Yung leaves ba? O papasok ko to sa loob. Bibigay ko ba kay Mitch? Ito. Ay, sa labas pala. Sorry. Tanga lang. Ano gagawin ko? Punta ako sa likod? Ah, ito pala. Leaves, leaves. Dami kong gagawin sa lipunan na. Ano yan? Bakit may barrel dito? The freak, bro. Ano yan? Ano yan? What the heck, bro? Ba't may karton dito? Ba't kayo dito lumipat? Okay, yan. Hindi pa pala tapos. Tapos. So, ano next? Ano? Kain na ako.
Just in time. I cooked some eggs.
Ambis mo naman magluto. Eat breakfast na. Ang sweet nyo namang magkakaibigan. Oh no, not this again, bro. Pag nandito na naman siya. Oh no, bro. What is this? What am I gonna do? If I look outside and sarado mo lang. Good boy. Good boy. Tama. Sarado mo lang yan. Uy!
What's going on?
What the
Listen.
hell happened to you? Take a look in the mirror.
Huh?
What are you talking about?
What do you mean? Huh? Take a look in the mirror. Ano meron sa akin? Ano meron? Uy! Oh no. Oh no. An hour later.
It seems like you've been sleepwalking, Mitch. I have no other explanation for that.
Sleepwalking.
That's strange.
Indeed, but there is something more disturbing than that gash.
What could be something more disturbing than that gash?
Somehow
Oh!
lost your
Kidney!
last night.
No! Bro got shanked.
Unfortunately, we don't know how that happened. I'm sorry, Mitch.
What? What do you mean? Ain't no way, bruh.
Before you go, could you please sign this paper?
Okay, I'm gonna
Take
sign it
care,
anyways. Yeah, take care too, Doc. Mag-ingat ka. Dapat lang. Tintigan kita. Oh yan,
How
Edwin.
did it go?
It went well.
He thinks I'm sleepwalking.
That's
Sleepwalking.
bullshit. How could this be the case?
Sa
I
bagay.
don't know. It's so fucked up.
Anyway, take this key. It belongs to your room.
Belongs to my room.
Sure.
Kailangan ko din ng key sa bintana ako.
If there's anything bothering you, you can always tell me about it.
Okay.
I know. Thanks, Edwin.
Ito na ba? Ito na ba yung part? Okay, feel ko ito na yun eh. Parang i-reach na natin ang ating climax. Tapos tayo'y matutulog na 12:05 AM. Uh-oh. Okay. Ano next? Yoko niyan. Kunin mo, dali mo. Yan, yun. Flashbang. Diyan ka na lang. Flashbang yan, boss. Takbo. Ano to? No, don't tell me. Bakit may chase scene? Ano to, boss? Bakit nasa gitna tayo ng Why? I'm not looking back, bro. I'm not looking back. Sabi ko sa'yo, I'm not looking back. I'm just running straight. I don't care kung saan man ako mapadpad. Whoa! What in the world? Nah.
Good morning, Mitch.
Anong good morning?
I have some good and bad news. The good news is that you only had minor injuries and your parents
Huh?
are going to pick you up.
Okay.
However, the bad news is that your brother, Edwin, was found dead.
No. Kapatid ko pala, kala ko kaibigan ko.
I'm terribly sorry for your loss.
Oh, man. Flashbang. Okay lang yan. Take my camera and head back. Edwin, you'll be forever missed. Oh, nanging ka na nakita yung katawan mo. Gruesome. Ano? Huh? Kidney ko ba yan? Okay.
Are you okay, son?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm okay, Dad.
it's his kidney. Oh no. Eyeless Jack. Alright, so ayun na yung katapusan ng laro. Pretty interesting game. And Di ko alam kung ano masasabi ko dito, pero maganda yung story niya and I like it. So, yun lang. Yun lang. Oh, alis na kayo dito. Subscribe lang kayo though. It will really help, bro. Okay, bye-bye.